I do not have a math trick or equation or anything to do this one. I'm just going to plug in numbers. So we can't let m or p be 10 because 10 squared is 100 and 100 is not less than 100. But we could definitely let like m be 9 or p, it doesn't matter. So that's going to give you 81 plus what? Well, if I did 5, 5 squared is 25, and 81 plus 25 is going to put you over 100. So now let's let p be 4. 4 squared is 16, and 16 plus 81 is 97. So we're going to let p equal 4. And because this gives you 16, which is 97, which is less than 100, so m times p is going to be 9 times 4, which is 36. Bingo.